For us with some key headlines in this pandemic. Tom?
And Pat, well, we learned today an 11-year-old boy in Florida lost his battle to the coronavirus. Very sad news there. The state's governor, though, is not requiring face coverings there. In Texas, though, an about face from that governor, coverings are now mandated there. Here at home, our governor is promising more enforcement. California had more than 4,000 new coronavirus cases in the last day. Governor Gavin Newsom has already shut down service at bars, restaurants, wineries, and movie theaters in 19 counties, including LA, Orange, Ventura, Riverside, and San Bernardino. That's about 70% of California's 40 million residents.
We want to be targeted, to hotspots. We want to be targeted based upon what we're hearing from health officials and counties as it relates to their concerns around spread.
Newsom also promised the state will enforce the health orders if counties do not.
We don't want to do things to you, but with you. But we reserve the right to move forward with this mandate if we don't see action at the local level.
In Florida, the state set a record 10,000 new cases. Compare that to a month ago when there were just 617 cases that day. Near Miami, there were long lines at this stadium parking lot to get a COVID test. The mayor of Miami-Dade County was asked about the high number of cases.
The reason we opened up is we opened up with these rules, and our medical experts said if we follow those rules, the level of contagion should not have gone up. Obviously, a lot of people didn't follow the rules.
Tonight, 37 out of 50 states now have rising case numbers, in part due to the same scenes playing out coast to coast. Large crowds, few masks, and no social distancing. Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci spoke with the Journal of the American Medical Association.
We have to take some societal responsibility.
That was not the case in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, where the fire chief there confirms several college students attended parties knowing that they were COVID positive. Other states are also putting the brakes on 4th of July festivities. Delaware's governor is closing down bars in beach towns. In Nebraska, officials are asking those hosting cookouts to keep a guest list so they can do contact tracing if there's an outbreak. In New York City, one of the few areas not seeing a sharp jump in cases, officials say schools will reopen in the fall. But nationally, a top health official told Congress today the overall picture is not good.
We are not flattening the curve right now. The curve is still going up.
Back in Florida, hospitals are stopping elective surgeries while at the same time saying they need more help.
You need more nurses.
That's correct. We're seeing more patients, and also some of the nurses are getting sick. So we need to be able to cover.
Unlike in Florida, the governor of Texas is now ordering residents to wear face coverings in all public places in most of the state. The directive comes as Texas sees COVID cases skyrocketing. Emergency room doctor Gina Blocker has 4 children, including a newborn to take care of. She's also a caretaker at Baylor St. Luke's with the lives of some of the most critical COVID patients in her hands.
It wears on us. It wears on me as a physician, as a person, as a mom.
In Arizona, ICU beds are almost 90% full, and key medications are running low. Remdesivir is in short supply in Florida and Texas. That's the drug effective at shortening recovery time from COVID-19. And for those who barely survived COVID, uncharted territory for recovery. Amarillo nurse Tanya Fields almost lost her life to the coronavirus. Monday, she goes back to work.
I'm terrified to go back to work, but I've just got to work through it and be an advocate for my patients so that I can be a teacher to them.
Texas is closing beaches along the Gulf Coast, and Florida is doing the same. And of course, here in Southern California, most of our beaches will not be open this weekend as well. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Tom Waite. Pat, back to you.